guys, today on Know Your Produce we're making condensed cream of mushroom soup. It's a delicious creamy soup that is used in tons of recipes. So to get started, we're going to heat up oil in our pan. And then once that oil is a little heated up, we're going to add in our veggies. I'm adding in some yellow onion that I chopped. And then I'm going to also add in some freshly chopped garlic. I highly recommend using fresh garlic for this recipe and whenever possible. I'm also adding in our baby Bella mushrooms that I chopped. Now when it comes to the mushrooms, you can add in 2 to 3 cups. If you love mushrooms, add in the 3. And if you just want it for the soup, for the recipe you need it for, add in the 2 cups. And then we're just gonna let these saute. We really want that oil to get those flavors out of these veggies now. And make sure you're mixing it every so often so nothing sticks to the bottom of the pan. You want to let them really sweat it out, and then once they're done, they're going to look like this. So they're really cooked down now, and we're going to add in that flour. The flour is going to help thicken this condensed soup and make it really nice and thick. That really creamy soup that you would see if you purchased it. So we're just going to cook this together and make sure that you're getting everything coated in that flour. The longer you cook it, the darker the color is going to get. So just keep that in mind. So if you want a lighter color, don't cook it too long, but if you want it darker, you can cook it a little longer. I'm adding in some oat milk mixed with a vegetable broth a little at a time. We really want to get that flour that we have on the bottom and just scrape that off and get it into that liquid that we just added. Even better, you can use a whisk, which is a much better utensil, and then add in the rest of that broth and milk mixture. Now we just want to scrape up all those bits and get it really mixed well. And then we're going to bring it up to a boil. Now once this reaches a boil, you're going to want to drop it down to a simmer and make sure you're whisking it every so often when you see it start to bubble, because you want to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pan. So just keep agitating it every so often and just make sure you're whisking it. And I do this for about 10 minutes until it's nice and thickened. And then once it's done, I like to let it cool before refrigerating. This isn't fully refrigerated. It is perfect and ready to use. I love using extra mushrooms because I love my mushrooms. And if you love mushrooms, you can absolutely add more. It's perfect for green bean casserole. I just love making this homemade. I use fresh green beans and it's so flavorful. We also use it for our creamy mushroom soup, which is one of our favorites. It's perfect for a cold winter night or when you're craving something warm. We hope you like and enjoy this recipe as much as we do. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.